Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Sofie. So I'm super excited to be bringing you guys this makeup tutorial today. It's inspired by Makeup by Raquel, so I'll definitely leave her link to her Instagram in the description box down below. But if you want to know how I achieved this look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. So I definitely did my own version of this look. It didn't come out identical to her look, but definitely check out her work. Her work is amazing. It had me feeling super inspired, so this look is definitely inspired by her. So first I just primed my eyelids with my Tarte Shape Tape in the color Light, and then I also blended it out with a damp beauty sponge and set it with some translucent powder. And then for my brow bone highlight, I'm going into my Makeup Forever Starlit Powder number 13. And for the crease, I'm going to be using my Morphe 39A Dare to Create palette, and I'm going in with this really warm transition color. And I'm just going to be buffing this into my crease and just slowly building up color and winging out the outer corner since we are doing a cat eye type of look. Next, I'm picking up my Born to Run palette by Urban Decay, and I'm picking up this shade here called Baja, and I'm using this brush from the Morphe collection. This is one of their new brushes, and this brush is amazing. It was super precise, and I've honestly been loving their new brush collection, the one that I featured in my video where I unboxed their new collection. So that's an update on those brushes. I've been loving them. So I'm just starting to cut the crease, and then I'm going into this small tapered brush, blending out the line, and then going back into that color and just building depth. And this look, I wanted it to be very sharp, very defined, so I definitely went back in and did this step a couple of times just to make sure that everything had a nice amount of depth, but it was still nice and blended. So then I went back into a fluffy brush to help me blend out this line, just going in left and right motions. Next, I'm using my Tarte Clay Pot in the color Unicorn Kisses, and I'm using this to carve my lid and also setting the rest of my eyelid just as a nice even base for all the other cream shadows that we're going to be applying over top. Next, I'm going into a ColourPop Jelly Shadow in the color Bungalow, and these jelly shadows are absolutely amazing. I actually worked with them before these jelly shadows were even launched, and I had my hands on the samples, and it's just a formula that I've never worked with before. They're extremely creamy, extremely pigmented, and really easy to blend out, and they aren't patchy at all. They don't lift the products underneath. They're just easily blendable. I just can't say enough good things about these. The next one that I'm going into is called Foxes, and it's a really vibrant gold shade. And then I'm going to be going into a third jelly shadow on the outer corner called Origami, and this is a very bright eccentric yellow color, and I'm just applying that on the very outer corner and just blending that into the center shade. Next, I'm going into my Shop by Lip Gloss glitter in the color Siren Fantasy, and I'm just applying that to the center of my lid. And then I went into that dark orange shade that we applied in the crease, and I'm just starting to smudge that on the outer corner with a pencil brush. Next, I'm just peeling off that tape, and then for lashes today, I'm going to be using my Shop Sofie Bella lashes in the style Jamaica. If you guys want to support our company, the link to look at these lashes is in the description box down below. And then I mixed 2 eye pencils in my waterline. One is a Makeup Forever Aqua XL pencil and one is a Urban Decay pencil. And I just wanted a specific color in the waterline, that's why I mixed the two. And then I'm just going to be applying the same colors that we applied in the crease to the lower lash line. So first that light orange shade and then this dark orange shade, and I'm bringing it all the way out to that corner and connecting it to the very outer corner. And I've never done this with a look. It was actually quite difficult, but I think that it turned out alright. And I'm going into those same 2 brushes back and forth just to really get that pigmented lower lash line and still achieve a blended look. Next, I'm going into my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara on my lower lashes, and then I'm going to be applying more of my Makeup Forever Starlit Powder number 13 to my inner tear duct and also to my brow bone. And then the last step for this look, I ran my spoolie through some bar soap, which I always do, and then I just run it through my brows and it just gives them a really natural wispy type of look. And this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial. If you guys want to be entered for this month's giveaway, then just go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed, turn your post notifications on, so turn on the bell button, and then comment done in the comment section down below. But that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!